Hello guys, Flaze here, and today I'm going to show you the new method after patch that people use to get the cheapest V-Bucks. Apparently, you can get 13,500 V-Bucks for $6 because in Argentina they have inflation and crises. So some companies like Epic Games lower price for them so they can still buy skins or games. And there are many people from the whole world who is not living in Argentina and getting cheap V-Bucks. First, you need to open the link in your browser. You can find the whole instruction with the link and V-Bucks codes in my Discord server in description. Then press Ctrl-Shift and I and select the Network tab. After that, click the Add to Cart button. Open a request that starts with Load Cart. It is important that it has the Request Payload panel. If it does not exist, select the second request with the same name. Right after, you need to right-click on this request and select Copy as Fetch. Then double-click on this request with the left mouse button and a new tab will open. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus I and select the Console tab. 8. Paste the copied code from point 5. If an error occurs, translate it and do what is required. Find the line called Producted and replace the value in it with the codes in dollars below. Replace the item called Availability ID with the same value. After that, replace SCOID with 0010 and press Enter. After updating the page with the cart, there will be bucks. All that remains is to pay. Before that, I want to add more V-Bucks. Now we need to perform point 5 again and from 8 to 13 only with a different value in V-Bucks. Now again, right-click on this request and select Copy as Fetch. 8. Paste the copied code from point 5. If an error occurs, translate it and do what is required. Find the line called Producted and replace the value in it with the codes in dollars below. Replace the item called Availability ID with the same value. Replace SCOID with 0010. 13. Press Enter. After that, you can pay. Then you write Xbox Cloud Gaming and start their Fortnite. Important is to change your VPN to Australia. Right after, V-Bucks should be on your account. If you don't have an Argentina credit card, you can easily buy it on my server. We also offer V-Bucks at a much cheaper rate even after the method got patched and more reorderable items. The Discord server link is in the description. Don't forget to join.